What? Okay. Yo! It's me, Mr. OrangeShineX here, and welcome back to Gmod. So we are back with more Gmod here today. The reason why we're back is because, like, a lot of people, you guys love the Gmod videos, and I really love Gmod. I love this game. And like, you guys love this game, and also, this is like the 95 episode. This is episode 95, which is kind of crazy. Like, we're almost there to 100. We might do like a special, like a Gmod special. Anyways, I actually downloaded a mod. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, this one. It's called. It's called like SV2. There's like these weird looking like characters that you can spawn. Like, what is it? Like, I actually saw, I clicked Woody, and let's go for Luigi doll. What is that, bro? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that is creepy. I'm not gonna lie, that's creepy. That's creepy. That is, why do you walk like that? Wow. Yeah, they have jump scares. Woody? Okay. Oh, why does he run like that? Is that the creepy, that is the creepy Woody skin for Gmod. Oh, there we go. I actually, what? Oh, he's this feels like, I should have, I should post this video around like October, because this is like creepy. Also got, oh yeah, apparently, I did not know this, but I should include this in my Outlast in Gmod video. But there is a, hold on, where is it? There is a camera from Outlast. Bro, I'm actually kind of mad at that now, because I didn't include this. And look, it doesn't have the light in. That is, I'm just mad, bro. We also, I don't know if I showed you this, but I also have the Outlast, like, hands. Also, we have a cat. Anyways, I actually have someone. I have the man, the myth, the legend. Where is he at? Gordon Freeman from Half-Life 1, the PlayStation 2 lookalike. Let me show you. No, there he is. Look at him. I actually have the Half-Life game. Also, hey, by the way, the skin, look at this. Hold on. The suit is orange, so it fits. So I'm gonna, alright, so what else we can do? Purple guy. Okay, what the frick? Yo, hey, yo, chill! Bro, why is he... Oh my goodness, what is a jump scare? Is he... Okay, he's playing the song, that's probably gonna give me copyright. Alright guys, if you guys... I know we're in 3 minutes of the video, but if you guys are ready to get scared, make sure to crack open a RC Zero Sugar Cola. Not sponsor. I very wish I was sponsored, by the way. Please sponsor me. So I don't know if I should call this video, but I'm gonna call this like the creepiest Gmod NPCs I found. The creepiest Gmod NPCs. We got Chris Walker, which... No more escape. That was creepy. Alright, Golden Skeleton. Okay, that doesn't feel like a scary... What is this? Who are you? Kate? Who? Joe. Hey, Peter. Oh, Joe from Family Guy. Okay, this feels like it's like memes or like not memes. Oh yeah, I also have the slap mod on. So I'm gonna go slap I'm gonna slap this guy. Alright, you know what? Let me be myself real quick. Or, yeah. look very creepy. Oh! Oh, what are you? What are you? No! 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 This is like probably a. I should have posted this on Halloween. This is getting very creepy. What are you? Wait, what the frick? What are you? What are you? Shut up, Woody. Joe. I love Joe from Family Guy.
Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day.
Kate, who's Kate? Are you supposed to be Jeff the Killer? Sister. Okay. NPC. Oh, 096. Oh no. Oh! This was probably a bad idea to do this. You know what? I love you can just be an arrow, that's funny. I'm gonna become, you know, I'm gonna become this guy. No, actually, you know what? Let's become the zombie. We're coming to. Oh my gosh. Look at you, you look disgusting. You know what? Stop. Got that, like, got that. Bro got that, demon music in. Oh yeah, for some reason, I don't know. Whoa, what the frick? Bro, what are you doing, bro? What is bro doing? What is bro? Bro is literally. Bro really doing. Is this song copy? This feels doesn't look like it. Let's get Joe.
Hey, Peter.
Alright, we gotta put this as a thumbnail. I don't know if we saw any other ones. I think we also. Wait, what is Whiteface? Oh, we haven't seen that one. Okay, so. Oh, they don't! Wait. What? They don't. Oh, no. Okay, screw it. We're gonna. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna spawn all of them. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. That looks far away, but I don't. Oh wait, this is actually a good thumbnail. There we go. Okay, we just spawned all of them. Okay, what is broken? This is kind of creepy. This is very terrifying. Okay, what is? Oh yeah, a lot of people, by the way, here's the thing. The reason why I have my face's gun as green is because I love the color green, and also green is, I love the color orange, and the reason why I have this as green is because, okay, I love, first color is orange, second color is green. Green is because Luigi, I love him, he's a good guy. Purple skeleton looks very,
This guy has a smile on his face.
I don't know. What? He looks. Look at Woody, bro. Look at Woody. No! What would you do in this situation? Like, look at that. That is just creepy. Woody? No! No, Woody? Wait, what? No, Woody, oh no! Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm gonna put this as the creepiest Gmod NPCs. Warning, jump scares, loud sounds. That's what I'm gonna put. What is Forgot about that. What is Shrek? Is that copyright? Wait. Green NPC Swamp Shrek? Okay, wait, that might be copyrighted. Crap! Oh crap, that might be copyright. Dang it! Okay, well, that's just great. Hello. Okay, so... Okay, stop singing Travis Scott or something. Joe, what are you... Why does it sound like a 64 game is about being played? What is wrong with you?
Gonna be a wonderful day. The sun in the sky has a smile on his face. Salute to the American race. Oh boy, it's well to say. Good morning, USA.
Forgot about you. Okay, so we have spawned everyone in. Shut up, Shrek. You can't sing that song. It's copyrighted. I should spawn. I love the Shrek because he's playing that music, but I can't. I think I have to remove him. I'm gonna remove him. Okay. Wait, what? Why are you not gold? Actually, you know what? We're gonna make you gold. Oh. I can't make you. You're playing also copyrighted. You should probably go away. If you want to kill me, go ahead and kill me. But I'm gonna go ahead. This video might be copyright. Crap. Oh well. What is wrong? Oh my goodness. Wait, did I downloaded the... Oh, I did! I downloaded the powerful gun. I'm just gonna say that. These T-poses. It's funny. I actually... Okay, so last time I downloaded this... it did not work. Where did, Woody go? I'll take that, Woody. Yeah. Come here. Where, who? Luigi. Why do I hear... Okay, there we go. Well! I guess I might end this video off. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, and, yeah. That's all I have to say, just, yeah, bye-bye. Also, guys, let you know, I love you guys. Mwah. I love you guys so much.